How's it going, guys? Nick here from OG. Right here I have our 1122, our Kranzle 1122. This is our portable unit. It's basically the portable equivalent of the 1322, and we sell a ton of these units. So we thought it made sense to make a video unboxing it, showing you exactly what's going to come in your box when you order it from us. You could tell it's from us because it has the OG tape over the top. So let's get right into it and pop this box open. So all of our Kranzle units come overboxed. So you can see we have our outer box that we provide, and then we have the actual Kranzle box inside of it. The 1122 is a pretty hefty unit, so you're not going to want to pull it out of here. What we recommend doing is laying it down like this and tipping it up from the back. Then you can just pull this up. There we go. We can get rid of this. There will be some foam at the top and the bottom. For the first probably week or so, at least when you have this unit, I would recommend keeping these and keeping this box as well, just in case you have to ship it out because of any defects or anything like that. So, and there is our actual unit itself. Now, unlike the 1322, the 1122 will come with the OEM accessories. Now, if you bought this in a solution or a package, you won't really need these, but again, I would say hold on to them really forever, but at least for a couple of months until you really break in this machine and you know that there's nothing that's wrong with it. Call it the paper. Pull out our tools. And these are a bayonet style quick disconnect, so it actually won't even work with like the Mosmatic guns and things like that. So if you ever want to use these, you do still need to keep the OEM gun. So we'll tip this up again, turn it towards you, and we can just pull our unit out, set our box to the side. Have a couple of manuals here. Then we have our handle, an attachment to coil up, our power cord reel, and another little instructional diagram. You can see that there's a GFCI in line on the power cord. Let's just go ahead and unwrap that. We have our chemical injection line. Yours may or may not come with this. Honestly, most people don't use it, so I just come and unplug it from the back, pull it off, because you're never going to be using this, especially if you have a foam cannon. But still, I'd recommend keeping it in case you want to sell it, return it, anything like that. All right, and that's the full unboxing of the 1122 and everything that comes in it. So now you know what to expect, whether you ordered this a la carte through us or you ordered it in a package or a solution. I think you'll be really happy with this unit. If you have any questions about this pressure washer or just pressure washers in general, let us know in the comments or reach out to support at Obsessed Garage, and you can get this unit and all of our packages, accessories, things like that on our website at obsessedgarage.com.